I hope everything is okay. You can see me. Hello. Good afternoon, my brothers and sisters. My topic where I get today be say about single mother. Why I say about single mother be say get wetin I watch for YouTube this afternoon. Those men where they talk about single mother. Fine. Now if you say women they happy. I sit down when they see me. Now if you say women then they happy, make them be single women. No woman they will put sugar for a mouth. Will tell you say no, now salt na you want. No woman like that. Cause the suffer where they for single mother level, where some men not understand. They suffer too much. You understand? Some women they before they come fit stay say that they get this money when they talk about so now so they give single mother money, you know they give their husband. Now so single mother they enjoy the money alone. Not be only him do the thing, or not be only she do the thing. Fine. You go follow and do the thing. Where you dey? Where the poor woman they suffer alone. Me, I be woman. As I just see me so, I be woman. I no fit suffer finish. Make one person come sit down. They eat them. It's not possible. Because some single mother they go suffer for more than a year before they fit get what they call on their recipe. Country where we dey na recipe they call documents. When the woman starts the single mother level, the man dey one corner, they enjoy with another woman. This poor woman go carry pikin. They follow street to street, junction to junction. Sometimes you go even sleep train station with the children. When this man not ask where you dey sleep, where you dey, how things dey for there, this man not ask. You understand? Fear not still catch you. You see come out for social media. Come they talk say now only she they chop the single mother money. Why only she not go chop the single mother money? Which money that they give single mother self where men want die put? Because I don't say why they hear these things. Single mother. The kind stress where they single mother, which man go want follow a wife stress her? Now when things don't better, not being that they can't sit down. At the house now. When things don't better, when the woman don't get house, don't forget where they stay. They don't give them small apartment where they stay. At that time, the man go carry your own problem. Come. Say, now you get the children. Where were you when those children was 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, before they even come complete that 3 years? Like this ones will day so. If your pikin don't complete 3 years, so they call the money, my guy. You go work, except say the woman will don't stay for the country more than 5 years. Now they get right for their money where they pay. That money not be single mother money. What make me come do this video today? May I make this song, these stupid men where they fight for this money so. Now everybody right. Now be that money. France they call an RSA. That money will be single mother money. Money where then they give mother when a newborn will be single mother money. Now be when that picking day 1 month to 3 years. If the woman never get right for RSA. You understand? If you never take away this country, now you take together RSA majoré. And take together money. No, they fight those women for this money where then they give them. Because one, that money not reach anything. When man won't come kill his wife put, you beat the woman seriously because of the money. You forget the time wey that woman dey sleep for train station. You forget the time wey that woman alone dey carry that children waka. Rain go dey fall, you carry pusa, you go restore the care. Go find food wey go give your children. Where you dey that time? Where you dey? You no know say that single mother money dey exist that time. How many black men, how many of them dey pay father money for this country? E dey. E get money wey men dey pay for their wife. You understand? Wey be say e stand as a father. E easy. Father say they do single mother. Make you go down. May you know whether single papa is still easy. Papa dey do am. No be only women dey do am. The reason wey be say now women that they always dey call single mother single because no woman go carry pikin for 9 months. You call leave am for man. You understand? Women too dey suffer for those children. If una no know the kind suffer wey women dey suffer for those children, I tell una today. From that 1 month till 9 months, wey they carry that pikin for belle, e reach make man to dey honor his wife. Make the man dey honor the woman wey marry for house. Not to talk of you can't use am take turn to your punchy bone where you dey do wrestling because of stupid money. That single mother money not reach anything. Not reach the woman to dress. You don't even reach until feed the children finish. If you see really, if the woman want eat better food for house, you want really eat food where be say man, you go where you go dey sit, the way you sit there, get some kind of food where you go dey eat as you dey eat am, better sweat go dey come out for your body. If the woman want really eat am for this country we dey, that money not reach. But the poor woman will come see save am. Go see save small for inside. You say make it come give you. That time when that woman dey suffer, when rain dey beat am, snow go fall on top of him and the pikin body. Cold wey dey this world go beat am. Where you dey that time? Abi you no sabi do papa that time? You no sabi talk say na you born the children that time? All those men where they come out for social media and they make mouth, and all those stupid MC, I don't know what they call themselves. They go carry una for party, now single mother. Now go take do MC. And they come for all of them one by one. And they come for all of them one by one. You get one woman where those rest of the care people give me her number. That poor woman not get where they sleep. You get 2 children. They will sleep here today, sleep here tomorrow. Where the man there now? Maybe he packet that thing where he call him Kelewawa. He packet am, go put am for another woman's house. Then the poor woman they suffer with the children. When the poor woman don't suffer finish, you can't sit down. Then go collect the money, see they send down go Africa. At the talk, any woman where they give man money, any woman where they count the money they give man, you don't know who you be. You don't know who you be as a woman. If you know the reason where God creates women for men, you're supposed to know say you be good. You're supposed to know say women, they be egg. We supposed to carry. Maybe say no go let that woman fall. You not go let that egg fall. You go value that egg. Because be say women don't come turn to the one way men till they do kelewawa up and down. When women they single, continue. No. What do make you be man? If woman they pay your bill, tell me the reason why they call you man. If I they pay your bill, come buy trouser, put for your waist. Tell me what the reason why you take be the head and why I be the neck. Women, now then, the neck, well woman, now the head, they go turn you like this. Once you don't they pay your bill, if they buy you trouser, You buy you nika wey you dey wear. You don't turn to rag. Go tell you say go clean that place. You go clean am because now the woman dey pay your bill. Not to talk of say the poor woman go still suffer finish. Go still tell you say my husband go gather better. And that time you know say God give you blow. They can't beat am for the money way. Then they give am. Some the women, some of women, the kind mumu wey dem mumu for this life, I never seen am before. Some women, the kind mumu wey dem mumu, I never see am for this life. Some day they go even give their husband the bank amount. As then they put the money every month, and the man they collect am. And the man they talk what they go use the money to do. Money will not be your own. Money will you not suffer put. Before that woman can't get that house where you can't sit down. Can't they beat am. Not be say as you can't sit down. You can't take care of the woman. Say, my love, don't say where you dey suffer. Mona not quote me wrong. Any man where you take care of your wife, you are my best friend. And I love those men that honor their wife. The kind men when they talk about so, now those men will be say, where you won't see them finish, they enter flight. We be say, no say flight where they come from Africa to Europe na 9th flight. They don't use women sleep for hotel finish. If then they sleep, all those men they go paint their beer. They will get red and gold. Even put color for their hair. When you go see them finish for inside flight, then they sleep. And because I will make no see go no say all these men now. Men will be saying they don't get respect even for themselves. Not talk of saying that the women will they marry for house. And they fight for single mother money. Any man when I see, if I eventually catch you for this France here, this France will do so. If I catch you, so you they beat your wife because of single mother money. Don't lie you. That your thing where they hide, now they go see for social media. This video why I start so. And the part 1 be this one. The part 1 now with this so. I just they use this one. They warn all those men where they beat their wife because of single mother money. Those women, if you see the suffer, if you see where I they pray, may I not suffer that kind of suffer. Suffer with single mother that they suffer before they come they enjoy. No be small thing, my brothers and sisters. If you never see them, try make you see them. Pity those women. Some day they'll carry 3 children. Some day they'll carry 4 children. Only then they push and they go morning till night. They'll carry those children go school. They'll still go work. They'll still go do everything. Make house for day okay. One man will sit down for inside house because you not get documents. But if you don't get documents, you don't stay. You don't want to stay for this country. Maybe you go back to Africa. I just they tell of us so. If you don't get documents, say you don't want to do something. People there for Paris, they not get paper. They work. Then they work. Someday down they go learn Barbie. Someday they go learn many things. Then they work. Guy go look for something they do. Not they beat your wife because of 600 whether they give them. You understand? Not they beat your wife because of this money. The day where I go catch you. I just want you, I can't warn you so. The day when I will catch you, say you beat your wife because of things like that one. That mumu girl for Germany, we allow her husband use knife kill him. All those women with the mumu for men. When I open her eye, where man will love you, not go ask you money. Man will care about you. No sit down for his house. Me say, only give me 10 naira. Only give me 20 naira. Only give me 15 naira. No tell you. If they break, go look for what you go do. They take off you and your children. I say you can't come here. You can't sit down. They do big boy. Can't carry trouser put for waist. Say now you be that person, your husband. If I catch you for this France with this, so you say you beat any woman. Now me and you. So now here my story and my brothers and sisters. Men, wanna change. Because suffer women they suffer, eh? It's too much. Mona change, mona cherish women. Women are good. You don't see the way I find so. See as I beautiful. Now mama put me for house. I'm a mother of 2 children. I'm still expecting another one. My husband they take care of me. You know they beat me, you know they harass me, you know they use what I do before laugh me because of money. But our African men, then at that time they will come to say that woman I shower before. Now not listen to shower before now give her belly. If I catch all of them, eh? Now one by one go dey excuse now. Now not the way they excuse bitter leaf. The way they excuse bitter leaf, make that water with the bitter way come out. And so I go excuse all the old men where they beat their wife because of single mother. I give you now this one first. Guest, I don't know what. I'm just keeping it on my brothers and sisters. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be your sister's keeper. Please, before you judge me, watch my video. Listen to what I say very well. I love everybody. Being good is very nice. Have a nice day. Please don't forget to subscribe once again. I love you all. Bye.